Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring prisms and pyramids. What makes them different? How do their faces, edges, and vertices compare? Stick around because by the end, you'll be a geometry pro. Let's go! Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to compare and summarize the similarities and differences between prisms and pyramids. Identify and describe prisms and pyramids based on the number of faces, edges, and vertices. Differentiate prisms from pyramids by analyzing the number of bases, shape of the lateral faces, and presence of an apex. And lastly, classify given solid figures as prisms or pyramids according to their geometric properties. General comparison of prism and pyramid. Prisms and pyramids have both similarities and differences. Let's talk first their similarities. Both are three-dimensional solid figures with flat faces, edges, and vertices. The number of vertices and edges in a prism or pyramid depends on the shape of the base. Both can have any polygon as their base. And their differences. A prism has two congruent and parallel bases, while a pyramid has only one base. The lateral faces of a prism are rectangular or parallelogram in shape, while the lateral faces of a pyramid are triangular and meet at a single point called the apex. A prism has more vertices and edges than a pyramid with the same base. A prism does not have an apex, while a pyramid has always one apex where all lateral faces meet. Do you know what solid figure is this? Yes, this is a triangular prism. How about this? Alright, this is a triangular pyramid. Now let's compare their bases, faces, edges, and vertices. A triangular prism has two congruent triangular bases that are parallel, while a triangular pyramid has only one triangular base. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 2 triangular bases, and 3 rectangular faces, while a triangular pyramid has 4 faces, 1 triangular base, and 3 triangular faces. A triangular prism has 9 edges, while a triangular pyramid has 6 edges. A triangular prism has 6 vertices, while a triangular pyramid has 4 vertices. Do you know what solid figure is this? Yes, this is a square prism. How about this? Alright, this is a square pyramid. Let's compare the square prism and square pyramid in terms of their base, faces, vertices, and edges. Alright, let's start first with their base. A square prism has 2 congruent square bases that are parallel, while a square pyramid has only one square base. A square prism has 6 faces, 2 square bases, and 4 rectangular faces, while a square pyramid has 5 faces, 1 square base, and 4 triangular faces. A square prism has 12 edges, while a square pyramid has 8 edges. A square prism has 8 vertices, while a square pyramid has 5 vertices. Do you know what solid figure is this? Yes, this is a rectangular prism. How about this? Alright, this is a rectangular pyramid. Now let's compare the rectangular prism and rectangular pyramid. A rectangular prism has 2 congruent rectangular bases that are parallel, while a rectangular pyramid has 1 rectangular base. A rectangular prism has 6 faces, 2 rectangular bases, and 4 rectangular faces, while a rectangular pyramid has 5 faces, 1 rectangular base, and 4 triangular faces. A rectangular prism has 12 edges, while a rectangular pyramid has 8 edges. A rectangular prism has 8 vertices, while a rectangular pyramid has 5 vertices. Do you know what solid figure is this? Yes, this is a pentagonal prism. How about this? Alright, this is a pentagonal pyramid. So a pentagonal prism has 2 congruent pentagonal bases that are parallel, while a pentagonal pyramid has 1 pentagonal base. A pentagonal prism has 7 faces, 2 pentagonal bases, plus 5 rectangular lateral faces, while a pentagonal pyramid has 6 faces, 1 pentagonal base, plus 5 triangular faces. A pentagonal prism has 15 edges, while a pentagonal pyramid has 10 edges. A pentagonal prism has 10 vertices, while a pentagonal pyramid has 6 vertices. Get ready to test your knowledge. Question number 1. Which of the following statements is true about a prism? A. It has only one base. B. Its lateral faces are always triangular. C. It has 2 congruent parallel bases. Or D. Its all faces are triangular. What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter C. A prism has 2 congruent parallel bases. Its lateral faces are usually rectangular or parallelogram shaped, not triangular. Question 2. A pyramid differs from a prism because it A. has 2 bases, B. has rectangular lateral faces, C. has only one base and an apex, or D. has the same number of edges as a prism. What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter C. A pyramid has only one base, and all its lateral faces meet at a single point called the apex, which is a key difference from prisms. Question number 3. How many faces does a triangular prism have? A. 5, B. 4, C. 3, or D. 2? What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter A. 5. A triangular prism has 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular lateral faces, totaling 5 faces. Question 4. Which of the following solids has 1 square base and 4 triangular faces? A. Square prism, B. Square pyramid, C. Rectangular prism, or D. Triangular prism? What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter B. A square pyramid has 1 square base and 4 triangular faces that meet at the apex. Question 5. Which of the following is similar between a prism and a pyramid? A. Both have 2 bases. B. Both are polyhedra with flat faces, edges, and vertices. C. Both have triangular lateral faces. Or D. Both have an apex? What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Both prisms and pyramids are polyhedra, meaning they are solid shapes made of flat faces, edges, and vertices. Other features like number of bases, lateral face shape, or apex differ. And that wraps up our lesson for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about prisms and pyramids and found the activities helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson useful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to check the playlist in the description for more fun and easy math lessons.